manually tracking every single expense, and making investment decisions based more on a gut feeling than on hard data. Think about the hours spent hunched over a laptop, the shoebox full of receipts, the constant worry that you've missed something important. It's a constant uphill battle against your own finances. And honestly, it's a method that's becoming completely obsolete in today's fast-paced world. The risk of human error is high, and the stress it creates is even higher. Because while you're spending all that time just trying to keep up, a quiet but powerful revolution is happening. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept from science fiction. It's a practical, accessible tool that millions of people are already using to get a significant financial edge. It's like having a dedicated team of tireless financial analysts working for you 24/7. They don't get tired, they don't make emotional decisions, and they are constantly scanning the horizon, finding opportunities you never knew existed and patterns in your own spending you would never spot on your own. This incredible technology is automatically building personalized budgets that adapt to your life in real time, sniffing out and canceling those forgotten subscriptions that drain your account, and even negotiating lower bills for things like your internet and phone service on your behalf. It's helping people optimize their credit scores with pinpoint precision and pointing them towards smart, automated investment strategies that were once exclusively reserved for the ultra-wealthy. This isn't about just saving a few dollars here and there. It's about fundamentally changing your financial trajectory and building real, sustainable wealth with less effort. And today I'm pulling back the curtain to show you exactly how you can join them and put this power to work for yourself. We're going to break down the best AI money hacks for 2025, step by step, from automating your savings to generating new income streams. There will be no confusing jargon, no gatekeeping, just clear, actionable strategies and the specific tools you can use to take control and grow your money, starting right now. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Roxanna Ezenekwe, your guide to simple financial literacy and smart money decisions. If you're ready to make 2025 your wealth building year, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. AI is not just for tech experts anymore, it's your new personal money coach. This technology can track your spending, automate savings, and even help you avoid financial mistakes before they happen. AI apps analyze your habits, spot hidden expenses, predict upcoming bills, and move small amounts into savings without you lifting a finger. If you struggle with consistency, this is a game changer. Now, let's tackle the silent killer of modern budgets, recurring monthly costs. It's a phenomenon known as subscription creep, and it's more common than you think. Did you know the average person pays for 3 to 7 subscriptions they don't even use? It starts innocently enough. That free trial you forgot to cancel, the streaming service you haven't watched in months, the premium app you opened just once. We live in a set it and forget it culture, and companies bank on our inertia. These small, seemingly insignificant charges quietly bleed your account dry, often adding up to hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year. Trying to track them all manually with spreadsheets and calendar reminders is a frustrating, time-consuming nightmare. But this is where AI steps in to become your personal financial superhero, tirelessly guarding your wallet. AI-powered apps can securely scan your bank statements using encrypted, read-only connections, instantly identifying every single recurring payment. They act like a detective, flagging subscriptions you haven't used in a while and presenting them in a simple, clear dashboard. Then, with a single tap, you can authorize the AI to cancel them for you. No phone calls, no navigating confusing websites. But that's just level 1. What about your bigger, non-negotiable bills? Your internet, cable, phone, and insurance. Are you absolutely certain you're getting the best possible deal? The odds are you're overpaying. Instead of spending hours listening to hold music and being transferred between departments, you can deploy an AI negotiator. These brilliant services use sophisticated chatbots to contact your providers. They come armed with a massive database of competitor rates, hidden promotional offers, and scripts proven to get results. They patiently and persistently argue on your behalf to lower your monthly payments. Simultaneously, other AI tools can analyze your current insurance policies for your car, home, or health and compare them against hundreds of others in real time, finding you identical or even better coverage for less. By automating this entire financial cleanup, the average person saves between $300 and $800 a year, sometimes even more, all without lifting a finger. It's your money, and AI is the ultimate tool to help you keep it. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert. AI investing tools build a portfolio for you, adjust it based on the market, and help your money grow, even if you're starting with just $10 or $20. People are using AI to create digital products, automate online businesses, write books, design templates, and even run social media brands. The smartest wealth builders use AI not just to save money, but to make more money. AI gives you personalized guidance, like how much to save, which debt to pay off first, or whether a purchase fits your budget. It's like having a financial advisor without the $1,000 price tag. And that's just a glimpse into how you can start leveraging artificial intelligence to fundamentally transform your financial future. From smarter budgeting and automated savings to effortless investing, we've covered some powerful ground today. But believe me, we are only just scratching the surface of what's possible with this incredible technology. The tools and strategies we discussed are the building blocks for a completely new way of managing and growing your money, putting you firmly in the driver's seat. If you're serious about building real, sustainable wealth and want to stay ahead of the curve in this new digital economy, you're in the right place. The financial landscape is evolving faster than ever, and those who adapt will thrive. My mission here is to be your guide, constantly researching and testing the latest AI income ideas, wealth building strategies, and simple financial hacks that actually work. I do the heavy lifting to filter out the noise and bring you only the most effective, actionable advice. To make sure you don't miss out on future videos where we'll dive deeper into topics like automating your investments, using AI to negotiate your bills, and even optimizing your taxes, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. It's a simple click for you, but it's the single best way to ensure these game-changing insights land directly in your feed, keeping you on the cutting edge. Your engagement also fuels this channel. So I have a question for you. Drop a comment below and let me know. Do you want a full dedicated video breaking down the absolute best AI money apps for beginners? Your feedback directly shapes our content calendar. I read every single comment, and your input is what helps me create the videos you truly want and need. So let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Remember, financial freedom is not about how much you earn, it's about how smart your money works for you. See you in the next video.